Thailand, the land of smiles where every corner brings a new adventure. A country bursting with vibrant colors, captivating culture, and breathtaking landscapes that will mesmerize you. From bustling cities to tranquil beaches, ancient temples to lush jungles, Thailand has it all. Thailand offers a kaleidoscope of experiences that will leave you breathless and yearning for more. Whether you're an intrepid explorer, a history buff, a foodie, or simply seeking relaxation and peace, Thailand has something extraordinary in store for you, waiting to be discovered. This guide is your passport to unlocking the wonders of Thailand, step by step. We'll equip you with the essential knowledge to navigate this enchanting country with confidence and ease. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure filled with delicious food, warm hospitality, and memories that will last a lifetime. Let's dive in and discover the magic of Thailand together, one experience at a time. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of Thailand. Bangkok, the capital of Thailand, is a city that pulsates with energy. It's a whirlwind of sights, sounds, and smells, where ancient traditions meet modern marvels. For many travelers, Bangkok serves as the gateway to the rest of Thailand, and it's a destination that deserves at least a few days of your itinerary. Immerse yourself in the grandeur of the Grand Palace, a sprawling complex of glittering temples and royal residences. Take a relaxing boat trip along the Chao Phraya River, often referred to as the River of Kings, and witness the city's iconic landmarks from a unique perspective. Explore the bustling markets where you can haggle for souvenirs, sample exotic fruits, and savor delicious street food. Don't miss the opportunity to visit Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn with its towering spires adorned with colorful porcelain. Bangkok is a feast for the senses, and it's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. Get lost in the vibrant energy of Bangkok's markets. One of the best things about traveling in Thailand is its affordability. This beautiful country offers a plethora of experiences that won't drain your wallet. You can easily experience the wonders of this incredible country without breaking the bank. From its stunning temples to its vibrant street markets, there's so much to see and do on a budget. Here are a few tips to help you stretch your bot and make the most of your budget, whether you're a backpacker or a luxury traveler. Accommodation. Thailand offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit every budget. You can find everything from basic guest houses to high-end resorts. From simple guest houses and hostels to mid-range hotels and luxurious resorts, there's something for everyone. You'll find something that fits your needs and your wallet. Booking in advance can often get you better deals. Street food is a culinary adventure in Thailand, and it's incredibly affordable. The variety and flavors are unmatched. You can enjoy delicious and authentic Thai dishes for just a few dollars per meal. Don't miss out on trying local favorites like Pad Thai and Som Tum. Look for street stalls and local eateries for the best deals. These places often offer the most authentic and tasty dishes. Local transportation in Thailand is cheap and efficient. Getting around is easy and won't cost you much. Use the BTS SkyTrain or MRT subway to navigate Bangkok. These systems are not only affordable but also convenient and fast. For longer distances, opt for buses or minivans. They are a cost-effective way to travel between cities and towns. Tuk-Tuks and motorbike taxis are also readily available. They offer a fun and quick way to get around, but be sure to negotiate the fare before you hop on. This ensures you get a fair price and avoid any surprises. Bargaining is common practice in Thailand, especially in markets and with street vendors. It's part of the culture and can be quite fun. Don't be afraid to haggle for a better price. Just remember to be polite and keep a friendly attitude. Always be respectful and smile. A positive attitude can go a long way in getting you a good deal. Experience the flavors of Thailand without overspending. With these tips, you can enjoy an amazing trip without worrying about your budget. Thai cuisine is a symphony of flavors, a harmonious blend of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. Prepare your taste buds for an explosion of culinary delights as you embark on a gastronomical journey through Thailand. From the iconic Pad Thai, stir-fried rice noodles with shrimp, tofu, and a tangy tamarind sauce to the rich and aromatic green curry, a coconut milk-based curry with chicken or vegetables, Thai food is a feast for the senses. Don't be afraid to try something new. Sample the fiery som tum, a spicy papaya salad, or the fragrant tom yum goong, a hot and sour prawn soup. And for a sweet treat, indulge in mango sticky rice, a classic Thai dessert that will satisfy your sweet cravings. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with the incredible flavors of Thai cuisine. Section 5. Getting around from tuk-tuks to longtail boats. Navigating Thailand is an adventure in itself, with a variety of transportation options to choose from. Whether you're a budget traveler or looking for a bit more comfort, there's something for everyone. Whether you prefer to travel by land, air, or water, Thailand has got you covered. The country's transportation network is well developed and efficient, making it easy to get from one place to another. Domestic flights. Thailand has an extensive network of domestic airlines that offer affordable flights to destinations across the country. This is particularly useful for reaching far-flung areas quickly. This is a convenient option for covering long distances, especially if you're short on time. With frequent flights and competitive prices, flying domestically can save you both time and hassle. Buses. Buses are a cost-effective and reliable way to travel between cities and towns in Thailand. They are a great option for those who want to see the countryside and travel at a more leisurely pace. You'll find a range of buses, from local buses to VIP buses with comfortable reclining seats. The VIP buses often come with amenities like air conditioning, snacks, and even entertainment options. Trains. Thailand's railway system is another scenic way to explore the country. The trains pass through beautiful landscapes, offering a unique perspective on the Thai countryside. The trains are generally comfortable and offer a more relaxed pace of travel. They are ideal for those who want to take in the scenery and enjoy a slower journey. Tuk-Tuks. No trip to Thailand is complete without experiencing a ride in a tuk-tuk. These iconic vehicles are not just a mode of transport, but an adventure in themselves. These three-wheeled vehicles are a ubiquitous sight on Thai roads and offer a fun and exhilarating way to get around. They are perfect for short trips and navigating through busy streets. Longtail boats. For a truly unique experience, hop on a longtail boat. These boats are not only a means of transportation but also a window into the traditional way of life in Thailand. These traditional Thai boats are used for transportation on rivers and canals, and they offer a glimpse into local life. The experience of gliding through the water surrounded by lush scenery is unforgettable. Choose your adventure and explore Thailand at your own pace. With so many options available, you can tailor your journey to suit your preferences and make the most of your time in this beautiful country. Section 6. Thailand's climate, sunshine, rain, and everything in between. Thailand enjoys a tropical climate with 3 distinct seasons: hot, rainy, and cool. Knowing what to expect weather-wise will help you pack accordingly and make the most of your trip. Hot season, from March to May. As the name suggests, this is the hottest time of year in Thailand, with temperatures soaring above 35 degrees Celsius, or 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Rainy season, from June to October. The rainy season brings much-needed relief from the heat, with occasional downpours and thunderstorms. However, it doesn't rain all day, every day, and you can still enjoy your trip with a bit of planning. Cool season, from November to February. The coolest time of year in Thailand, with pleasant temperatures ranging from 25 to 32 degrees Celsius, or 77 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the most popular time to visit Thailand, as the weather is ideal for outdoor activities. No matter when you choose to visit Thailand, be prepared for sunshine and occasional showers. Section 7. Unveiling culture, temples, traditions, and more. Thailand is a country steeped in rich history and culture. From its ornate temples to its traditional dances, you'll encounter countless opportunities to immerse yourself in the local way of life. Temples. Thailand is home to thousands of Buddhist temples known as Wats, each with its own unique architecture and spiritual significance. Be sure to dress respectfully when visiting temples, covering your shoulders and knees. Traditions. Thai people are known for their warm hospitality and their deep respect for their culture and traditions. Take the time to learn a few basic Thai phrases such as Sawasdi, hello, and Kop Kun, thank you. Festivals. Throughout the year, Thailand comes alive with colorful festivals that celebrate everything from the harvest to the full moon. If you have the opportunity, try to experience one of these vibrant celebrations. Embrace the cultural richness of Thailand and create unforgettable memories. Section 8. Adventure awaits. Exciting activities for every traveler. Thailand is a playground for adventurers, offering an array of exciting activities to get your adrenaline pumping. Island hopping. Thailand's stunning islands are a must-visit for any traveler. From the iconic Maya Bay, featured in the movie The Beach, to the party paradise of Koh Phangan, there's an island to suit every taste. Diving and snorkeling. Thailand's underwater world is just as impressive as its terrestrial landscapes. Explore vibrant coral reefs, swim alongside colorful fish, and encounter majestic manta rays. Trekking, for those who prefer to stay on land, Thailand offers numerous trekking opportunities. Hike through lush jungles, climb waterfalls, and discover hidden caves. Elephant encounters, get up close and personal with Thailand's gentle giants at an ethical elephant sanctuary. Interact with these magnificent creatures, learn about their conservation, and create lasting memories. From island hopping to elephant encounters, Thailand offers endless opportunities for adventure. Section 9. Safety first. Tips for a smooth and secure trip. Thailand is generally a safe country to travel in, but it's always wise to be aware of your surroundings and take precautions to ensure a smooth and secure trip. Scams. Be wary of scams, which can range from overpriced taxis to fake monks. Stick to reputable transportation providers and be cautious of anyone who approaches you on the street offering unsolicited services. Theft. Petty theft can be a problem in crowded areas, so keep your valuables safe and be mindful of your belongings. Traffic. Traffic in Thailand can be chaotic, especially in cities. Be cautious when crossing roads and consider using taxis or ride-hailing services instead of driving yourself. Sun safety. Protect yourself from the strong tropical sun by wearing sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. By taking a few simple precautions, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable trip to Thailand. Section 10. Pack your bags, essential items, and final thoughts. As you prepare for your Thai adventure, here are a few essential items to pack to ensure a comfortable and enjoyable trip. Lightweight, breathable clothing. Thailand's tropical climate can be hot and humid, so pack light and airy clothing that will keep you cool. Think cotton shirts, shorts, and dresses that allow your skin to breathe. Comfortable walking shoes. You'll be doing a lot of walking in Thailand, so make sure to pack comfortable shoes. Opt for shoes that are both supportive and durable, as you'll be exploring bustling cities and serene landscapes. Insect repellent. Mosquitoes can be a nuisance, so pack insect repellent to avoid bites. Consider bringing a travel-size bottle that you can easily carry with you during your excursions. Sunscreen, hat, and sunglasses. Protect yourself from the strong tropical sun. A high SPF sunscreen, a wide-brimmed hat, and UV protective sunglasses are essential to keep you safe from sunburns. Universal adapter. Thailand uses a variety of electrical outlets, so it's a good idea to pack a universal adapter. This will ensure that you can charge your devices without any hassle. First aid kit. It's always a good idea to pack a small first aid kit with essentials like bandages, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. This can be a lifesaver for minor injuries or ailments. Thailand is a country that will capture your heart and leave you with unforgettable memories. From its stunning landscapes to its rich cultural heritage, every moment spent here is a treasure. Embrace the warmth of the Thai people, immerse yourself in the vibrant culture, and savor every moment of your adventure. Engage with locals, try new foods, and participate in traditional festivals to truly experience the essence of Thailand. Safe travels. Get ready for an incredible journey. May your trip be filled with joy, discovery, and unforgettable experiences.